So this is the radar. If we want to switch off the radar, we have to just pull this knob up, press and hold, and release. Now the radar is switched off. In this way we can switch off the radar. Now we have to switch on the radar. So for switch on, pull this up, press and hold, and the radar will switch on. Now the radar is starting. Okay, it comes now initializing. So the radar is starting now. So it is switched on. Now it is on the standby mode. So it takes about 30 seconds for the radar to warm up. So we have to wait for 30 seconds. Once this timer becomes 0, then we can start the transmission. The time here, it is showing on time and transmission time, TX time. On time means the time, total time this equipment is switched on since it installed. Okay, I will repeat once again. On time is the timing of the equipment since it is installed, the on time. Okay, the wake up time. And TX time is the transmission time of the present installed magnetron. For example, the magnetron is installed in January 2025. So after 2025, 4541 hours it has been transmitted. So like this. Okay, so the warm up is completed. It is now on the standby mode. We have to press this standby button. Okay, standby transmission. If we press this, then it will start transmitting. Now you can see the radar is transmitting. So if we want to stop the transmission, then we have to press the standby button again. No need to switch off. If you just want to stop the antenna to rotate, scanner to rotate, just press the standby button and then it will stop transmission. Now in the next video we will see all the control units.